Business is not only a business, it's a dream, desire, and passion of those who want to make a difference. It's the idea and efforts of those who make our everyday life easier and more productive. At EIndia Wholesale, your business is our responsibility. We aim to be the champion of independent fashion jewelry businesses and online sellers. We have more than 1 lakh loyal and satisfied customers across the globe. From last 15 years. In fashion jewelry industry, we are the one-stop solution for retailer and wholesaler of fashion jewelry. Providing everything you need for profit and growth. Fashion industry is a land of independent entrepreneurs and small businesses. We want EIndia Wholesale to be the champion of these small businesses. We believe that supporting these small businesses is the best way to uplift the world economy and give back to our community. As the largest organized manufacturer and wholesaler of fashion jewelry, we are able to source handmade and machine-made fashion jewelry around the world. Our aim is to provide beautiful designs and widest range of fashion jewelry under one roof. At the same time, we wish to provide great buying experience.